or even safe in a 9-to-5 job that requires me to go to the same place like my father did over and over again, do the same job, have the greatest amount of loyalty for Tata Steel, and exhibit it. And actually, if you go to any Tata Steel employee's house, even today, you'll see Jamshedji Nausarwanji's Tata's photo stuck over there with a mala. Am I right? Yeah, there you go. So that's what loyalty meant at that point of time. I had to get out of Jamshedpur, where I was born and brought up, because Jamshedpur, Bihar, anybody? Oh, all right, great. So I think the instinct to probably get into the film industry was born with my first ever desire as an individual. And I remember I was 7 or 8 years old, and I used to watch Mr. Ratan Tata.
My mother used to say that there are only 3 rules I followed. தெரிஞ்சே யார மனசையும் நோவுபடுத்தாத. Do not hurt anybody intentionally. ரெண்டாவது, do not cheat anybody financially. மூணாவது யாரு எப்படி இருந்தாலும், எவ்வளவு பெரிய மனுஷனா இருந்தாலும் சரி, எவ்வளவு சிறிது மனுஷனா இருந்தாலும் சரி, அவனை மனுஷனா மதி. You have to respect every individual.